Hello vinyl community, it's Boucher Mike. Just show you a few things I've been getting. The end of June, beginning of July. First one is Collapse by Zenno Barton. Collapse in new buildings in English. It's always easier to say. Fantastic album. The repress. Great bit industrial. Been after this for ages. I was gonna try and get an original. You get a little booklet with it as well, with all the lyrics, but it's obviously in German. So, but excellent album. Been after for ages, so I'm quite happy to get that. I don't know if I actually showed you it properly. There you go. Great. We all know where that is, Olympic Stadium in Berlin. Brilliant. I got this. Exile on Main Street. New Musical Express, and it's Mick Jagger with piano accompaniment. Introduces excerpts from the forthcoming double album Exile on Main Street. But I didn't buy it for that, even though I am a fan of the Stones. I bought it for the B-side, which is Fanny, Blind Alley, and it also has Curved Air, Phantasmagoria, which I haven't even heard. Haven't played it yet, but we all know what Fanny sounds like. That's what I bought it for. And it's a floppy flexi disc, both-sided, which is unusual. But yeah, very good. Exile on Main Street, excerpts, and Fanny, Blind Alley. Radio only, not for sale. Strange Fruit, Here Today by the Chameleons. And on the other side, Big in Manchester by the New Fast Automatic Daffodils. Radio play, 12-inch. Excellent. Now Grail. People bandy the word Grail around, but I've been after this in pristine condition. I could have got some battered copies, but I've got it on tape, so I didn't rush. Ambient Peel Sessions on Strange Fruit, the original. Fantastic. Songs that should have been on his first album. Some of them were, but yeah, worth it for Lou. Rest in peace, Jordan. Another Grail. Coil. Horse Rotivator. Comes with the little sheet of information. Excellent. True Grail. The other one, I was going to wait for an OG, but I couldn't get a decent copy. And it's just, Do It Dog Style by Slaughtering the Dogs. Fantastic. Gatefold sleeve. And there you go. On Captain Oi. Great. Slaughtering the Dogs. Do It Dog Style. One of the best, if not the best, punk rock album ever. Like a mini EP album. This is by DJ In or Jin. Sorry. Electronic don't know. Not good with me genres. So electronic, maybe. Don't know. Oh, this is definitely one of the best punk rock albums. It's Alive by the Ramones. Excellent. It's on sale. Extremities are a bit rubbed on this, but the vinyl is mint. I love this, and I'm so glad to get it back in my collection as on a vinyl record, because it's not the same one. I mean, it's great being able to play it in the car on your CD player, but I've been after this for ages. So lots of, not Grails, but superb albums really. Right, Neil, one of my subscribers, well, at least I presume he's a subscriber, he's always commenting. Told us about this when I showed the Boys' first album a couple of weeks ago. I wasn't even aware this was out, but it's Alternative Chartbusters by the Boys. This is the second album. I may or may not rush out and buy the third and fourth albums, but I've got the two that I really wanted, the first and second now, so I'm chuffed. I said I'd been looking for it, and I didn't realise it had been re-released, so thank you, Neil. Something slightly different. Gladys Knight and the Pips, 2nd anniversary. And it's in one of those great sleeves which tells you what other records are out on the label. Butter Records. And it comes with a poster that's never seen the light of day before. This certainly hasn't graced anybody's wall anyway. And it still won't. But it's nice to have. So, put that in a minute. Right, and this strange thing. Weird Sex. It's a compilation of Porn Pal Side, Psychosexual Side, and it has bands Alan Snowbound and the Barbed Wire Suppositories, Hiroshima Hot Knives, Nihilist, Damned Snot Biscuit, the Pluto Marys, and Sad. And the B-side is Sludge Goat, Scud Buzz, Uncertain Smile, Herd, Necropolis, and The Burning Wicker Man. And there isn't a bad track on it. It's fantastic. I bought this cheap for a £5 and it was blind. I hadn't got a clue. But with a title like that, it had to be worth having. So, Weird Sex compilation. Another one I've been after for ages. Get back in my collection. Rock and Roll High School soundtrack. Basically, half of it's the Ramones and the other half's other people. Unsaya. Excellent, Nick. Great record. Glad to get it back in my collection. Slowly getting all of the Ramones stuff. Lloyd Kulnick Emotions. Mainstream. Might have been his second album, was it? Yeah. Excellent. I love his voice. I think he's only his Commotions only had 3 albums. There's black side and the white side. And you get a lyric sheet. Great. Right, I bought this. It's a room. Chris Watson. Moog Sound Lab was created and launched by Moog Music as a celebration of the life and works of Dr. Robert Moog. And this was a series where well-known users of the instrument went into the Sound Lab and recorded special EPs, LPs, is a commemorative thing. And this is the one I fancied. Chris Watson, great. So there you go. 10 minutes of mostly Grails. I've got about another 20 albums which I declined to show, which are all jazz. And as my channel's not known for showing jazz, I thought nobody will watch it. So I'll just stick to the good stuff. I hope there was something there that you liked. I hope there was something there you've got. And I hope there's something there that you think, ooh, I want to get that, or at least try it. Most of it's probably easily streamed. I don't know. I don't stream stuff anymore. I used to, and never bother. Nearest I get to it is if I see something on here, and I say, oh, I've never heard of them before, I'll have a listen. And I normally do that on YouTube, to be honest, if it's on there. So, thanks for watching. Please, doesn't matter when you watch this, if it's in a year's time, if you see something you like or you want to comment, just comment. I'm not bothered about subscribing. If you can subscribe, it's great. I'm never going to get beyond 600, I shouldn't think. So it doesn't matter about subscribing. But leave your comments. I love reading the comments. And if I think they're worthy or there's something funny, I'll definitely comment back. But please comment. I don't get that many. I mean, 13 or 10 or something for every video. It's not like these YouTube royalty who have thousands and thousands of fans and cannot be bothered to read them, like Mazzy or whatever. I hardly get any. So there's a good chance if you leave us a comment, unless it's calling us a fat wanker, I'll comment back and thank you for commenting. But thanks for watching anyway, if you got this far. And obviously if you didn't, you'll have missed all this spiel shite. Until the next one, thanks for watching.